Hello and welcome to my page. I'm teacher Erica from the USA. I'm from New York City, the Big Apple. I've been teaching English online for over 6 years now. I teach mostly children of all ages and all levels, from beginners to intermediate to advanced. I make sure to personalize each lesson to cater to each individual student's needs and interests and way of learning, because every student is different. Every student has different interests. Every student learns differently and at different paces. My main objective is to make my lessons fun. I want to make sure all my students are really engaged, focused, and just having a blast. I want them to look forward to our English classes and enjoy learning English, because that's the best way for children to learn, is if they're really enjoying it. I think it's really important for the student to feel comfortable with their teacher. So I always encourage my students to share their interests, to share what they're working on or what they did, or to show me around. And this forms a bond between the teacher and the student and creates a safe space for them to really open up, feel comfortable and confident, and want to speak more English. So if you feel that I would be a good match for your child, please feel free to send me a message or book a trial class today. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.